Hey everyone, welcome to the Linley Valley Pork Ultimate Cooking Battle. Today we'll be judging on presentation,
balance of ingredients,
and overall taste.
Our competitor today is Jhaniele from West Coast Fever.
And they're cooking with West Australian Linley Valley pork. Let the competition begin. May the best player win.
Hi Jhaniele.
Hey,
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking honey pork with veggie stir fry.
One of my favorites, stir-fried veggie and pork.
Yeah,
Wow.
awesome.
Noodle.
Yeah, and noodle.
And what sort of pork are you using? I can see that it's a Scotch steak here.
Yeah, I'm using a Scotch tape. So now I'm just getting my ingredients ready.
Important thing you have to make sure, do not overcook the noodle. Make sure it's cold and drain with water.
Okay.
Before it gets sticky and too soft.
Okay.
Straight to the bowl with the drainer, cold water, keep running.
Yeah.
Put that on, start chopping it.
Easy. Remember that? A bit thinner?
And then start putting on the veggie.
Ladies, 15 minutes.
Orange?
Oh, that's one shot too many.
Good try. Doesn't work. You happy?
Yeah.